Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a what's in my makeup basket or current everyday makeup bag for the month of April. A lot of us are home not doing anything. That's why the eyeshadow looks a little different and fun. I just did a palette bingo. I will link that video down below. It's probably up before this, but I definitely have been liking playing with different makeup lately. So you'll see different things in my makeup basket for this upcoming month. So yeah, we're in quarantine, but I do still like to put on makeup every day, look presentable, have fun with it. And yeah, so if you're interested in this eye look, I will link the video down below for you guys. But let's get into the products that are in my everyday makeup bag and things I'm using all the time during this month. So first thing, eyeshadow primer. I am using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm loving this thing. I am definitely going to be repurchasing this over getting like the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion or anything like that. It's so much more affordable. I like this a lot better than the e.l.f. primer as well, so I will continue to get this as long as I can find it. A lot of things drugstore wise that I tend to start to love, I can't find anymore, so I am going to hopefully keep getting this guy. Pan That palette, still using the Marc Jacobs Scandalous palette. I have my update down below for you guys who are interested. Using this quite a bit on an everyday basis, so I am using this. What I have on my eyes that I've worn 2 or 3 times this past week. I've been really liking the color. I think it's the springtime making me feel different, making me feel more alive with the colors, is the BH Cosmetics. This is the Weekend Festival. I wore this palette the complete time I was in New Orleans for vacation back in February before all this craziness happened, and I've had a lot of fun playing with these shadows lately for this quarantine time, I guess you can say. So that is where I got this look. So fun. I love playing with this palette, so this is in my everyday makeup bag right now because I'm having fun with the look. It's gaining confidence, making me smile, so I'm playing with it. So I'm moving on. Still using my Tarte Maneater mascara. This is a rubber brush. I should be done with it though by the end of this month. It's getting to that like weird phase where it's starting to get clumpy, things like that. So I am still using this and it's in my bag. Tarte eyelash curler is always in my bag. I am still, you guys may know, I was trying to pan a face palette this year. So much harder than I thought. It's the Becca Jaclyn Hill face palette. I have been using this quite frequently, but still like no dips or anything going on. So still using it, really enjoying it. It's the blush and highlight I have on my face today. But when I want to switch up my highlight, I have in here, this is the Becca Moonstone highlight. This is by far my favorite highlight. I love this. It's kind of like a champagne kind of color. I don't know, it just looks so pretty. I just did it right there. It's like natural but not, but I don't know, you can kind of see it, but love that one as well. So that's in my bag. Also have from Essence, this is the Brighten Up banana powder. I like using this underneath my eyes whenever I feel like I'm getting a little bit more dark, not enough slate, that kind of stuff. So this is like a banana powder, like light yellow, helps brighten up the eyes. I really enjoy that. All over powder, I love the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. It is translucent, but looks stark white in the packaging. I've purchased so many of these. A lot of them end up breaking on me, but I constantly will repurchase this. The other powder I like to use is the Hourglass Dim Light Ambient Lighting Powder. I have one of those in my collection, but I mean, we're in quarantine. Like, this is all I need. So, BB cream. I love my Smashbox Kim Ready BB cream. I've talked about this for ages, guys. Definitely recommend it. I tried to purchase another one of this from Ulta and they were out of stock of it. So I need to figure out what's open and where I can buy this because I love it and my shade was sold out. So hopefully I can repurchase this soon because I love this stuff. So good. Brows is my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. It's like a little mascara spoolie wand, and all I do is just kind of flick it through my eyebrows. It just kind of tames the beasts, keep color like throughout it. I really like this stuff. Always repurchase it. Another thing for eyes, I've really been enjoying using these for quick, easy application. This is the Shadow Sense. What are these? Long-lasting eyeshadows. I have Pink Opal Shimmer and Champagne Shimmer. What I really like doing with these is just applying it all over the lid, putting a little bronzer or a crease shade, and I'm good to go. I did a first impression video of this. I'll leave it down below for you guys who are interested, but I got these from one of my friends who sells it but doesn't like push sell it, if you know what I mean, which is like the best people to buy from. I'll leave her information down below if you guys are interested. These are pretty great though. I really liked it. They definitely lasted all day, so I have kept them in my little basket for those quick looks that I just want to throw something on, know will last all day. I can rub my eyes, things like that, and it does a good job. Bronzer. This is the only bronzer I have in my collection. Can you believe that? This is my Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer, and it is a waterproof bronzer. A little bit too dark for me right now. What I'll probably go for is like the Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced once I'm done with this. That's just my all-time favorite, but I do still have that, and bronzers take a while for me to use up. I didn't even put any on today, to be completely honest. Eyeliner. Still loving my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. It is what's on my eyes now. Always be repurchasing this. I also tried to go towards the NYX Epic Ink. I just do not get the same results with the NYX as I do the Stila, so I will keep purchasing this. I had that weird phase about parabens. There are parabens in this, which is such a bummer, but I feel like it's not enough to do anything for me, and I don't put quite a bit on, so I'm okay with purchasing this. I know, go back and forth with things. I know you guys are gonna be like, cruelty free, back and forth, all that kind of stuff. I try my best, guys. We all try our best. I'm still trying to be cruelty free. Some things though, the majority of this actually is cruelty free. I don't know about Shadow Sense or Sense Cosmetics. If y'all know, let me know in the comments down below. Moving on, I have another blush in case I just want to switch it up. This is the Hourglass, what is this? Mood Exposure. Jackson, my toddler, picks my makeup video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. Picked this out. I really like the way this looked on my cheeks. I still really enjoy it, so I do have it in my bag for whenever I want to go for this look. It's just a natural color and gives a nice glow. It just looks good on the cheeks. Ow, I just clenched my finger. Pinched my finger. But I do really like this, so it's in my bag. Concealer is the Tarte Shape Tape. Will not go to any other concealer after using this. My favorite, I also like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, the roll-up one with the little squishy paw thingy on the top. Like that one as well. That one stays in my car. This one is like for my makeup room application, that kind of stuff. Then I have two lip products I'm working on. One is what's on my lips now. This is the Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick. I've really been enjoying this on my lips. It has a kind of weird manufacturing kind of smell to it. It's always had that. I think it has like coconut or something infused in it. It smells like sunscreen. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the scent, but I do like the texture and the way it looks on my lips. Will I purchase another one of these? Probably not. Would I recommend them? If scent is your like turn off with makeup, I would not recommend this. But I mean, I've been working on it pretty well. Look at that. Look at that. And I just started working on it like last month because I finished a lip product in my last empties. If you haven't seen that, empties down below as well. So use that. And then another lip product I pulled. This is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Kiss. I really liked this as well. I've been wearing this quite a bit too. So those are the two lip products that kind of have been in my rotation lately. But that is everything that is in my makeup bag for this month. Let me know how you guys are doing with this quarantine. Are you guys doing some fun makeup looks as well, or just kind of no makeup, not worrying about it? Let me know how you guys are feeling. Two videos down below you guys may be interested. I hope to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stay safe. Bye.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams